How to verify your OKX account. In order to verify your account in OKX, you need to first open up the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. The next step is to find the menu icon at the top left corner. Just tap on it and you'll be getting to your profile settings. Now, if your account is not verified, right below your username you will find the unverified badge, so you are going to have to tap on it to verify your account. Simply tap on that. Then from here, your user center will open up. And then as you can see here under the identity verification, it's unverified. So just tap on it. And here you have an option to verify your identity. To comply with the regulations, you need to verify your identity, and doing so will also help you secure your account and allow you to access the services of OKX. You are also going to receive a mystery box when you're done verifying your account. Now tap on the Verify Now button right below. Here you're going to have to select your country or region of residence, and then you also have an option to select the ID type. It could be your national ID card, driving license, passport, or citizenship. So go ahead and tap on the ID type. Select any type of ID that you want, and then from here you can just go ahead and simply select it and then tap on next. Here you're going to have to scan your ID card, so tap on start verification. And after you've scanned both IDs on both sides, you should be good to go. It will verify your account within few hours and you will get the mystery box as well. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.